Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Can you see it behind me? Yeah, Roman aqueducts. Can you believe it, really? Roman aqueducts? Yeah, pretty amazing. They had the theater, they have the Colosseum, they have the Olympic Stadium thing, but they have aqueducts. And you can see them up there, and they would take water down. And if I read something right, I think they said they had like 70 kilometers of aqueducts to get water to the people. And I think that's just absolutely amazing. So imagine that that's like 2,000 years old. Is that crazy? Pretty staggering. Obviously, there's not a lot of geological movement, or those would have been fallen down by now, but pretty crazy. But there's something else too. Can you see the polar bear? Yeah, this showed up on like the top 600, but anyway, I just wanted to show you the polar bear too. But anyway, so you can see the aqueducts up there and down here, and there's another spot in the middle of a street way down south of town that has more aqueducts that are freestanding. I mean, not that these aren't freestanding, but they're not attached to a mountain, those down there. These are attached to a mountain, but yeah, pretty amazing little park and everything else. And the fountains are really cool too. Anyway, the Aqueducts of Plovdiv on Alosha Monument Mountain, or what was the name of that mountain? Bazahar? So I got a hike to do, and it's going to take me all the way to the top of this mountain. Very cool. Okay, everybody. Outstanding. Plovdiv's got a lot to see. Okay, I'm going to do a drone real quick and show you the aqueducts and the top of the mountain. Bye, everybody.